a tribal drum. They can chain their hands for a while, but they can't erase the people's smile. Every scar tell a story untold. Every soul carry rivers of gold. And when the mountains seem too high, I lift my head up to the sky. Jah light shining through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. The soul remains strong, strong, even when the road feels long, long. Babylon may try hold we down, but the roots still grow from the ground. The soul remains strong, strong. Hear the people freedom song. From the ashes we carry on, 'cause the fire inside lives on. Them want see the warriors weak and divided, but the flame in the people still ignited. Youth stand firm, now the system corrupted. Truth can't dead and the message uninterrupted. Mama cry but she still keep praying. Children dream while the streets keep blazing. Still we plant hope in the concrete cracks. Kingston spirit never turning back. Mrs. Strength now come from riches alone. It come from standing tall when you're standing alone. And every generation carry one mission. Rise with love and resist oppression. No darkness lasts forever. We hold the line together. One people, one heartbeat, marching to a brighter street. The soul remains strong, strong, through the suffering and wrong. Voices rising loud as one, till the victory finally